Now, yung brakes, isn't it lagi siyang nasa gitna? However, in different places, different countries, ang nagbabago yung pwede yung manibela. Minsan nasa kanan, right-hand drive, minsan nasa kaliwa. But there is always something in that car that is universally standard. Agree? Example, rear view mirror. Somehow, laging nandyan. Wala sa dito or nandito, right? Side mirror. What else? Yung reverse, nag-iiba man yung mga somehow yung dipindot man siya or manual, it's always like nasa taas tapos drive and then, di ba? Why? Can you ask me why? Why? Thank you. Mga mukhang busog na, no? Do you agree that certain standards are needed to put things into order? Because if we have different pedals for gas, pwede magkagulo-gulo sa daan. Kung maski mag left-hand drive or right-hand drive, ang signal ay laging nasa kaliwa. At yung mga ibang dinanavigate like mga wiper nasa kanan. Agree? Because we need a certain standard to put things into order. Same with image. Even if we have different programming, which dun tayo nagtagal kanina, because I really want you to see how important image is. Even if we have different preferences, we even try to do it in the aspect of color. Even if we have different programming, even if it was normal to be groomed or not normal to be groomed at home, do you agree that we also need to be responsible to adhere to standards? So that somehow we are able to communicate the vision, the purpose, and mission of PLDT, especially yung term na malasakit.